Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today the tutorial will show you this lovely stand-up pinwheel card. So this one says happy birthday to you, and it looks like this, so it can actually stand up. This one I followed a tutorial, and it doesn't actually fit in an A2 or a regular envelope, a quarter sheet. So I fix the measurements, and that's what the tutorial will show you. So this one says here for you, and this one, you're the best. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, you're going to start with a piece of crushed curry that is 5.5 by 6 and scoring at 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you want to fold the score lines like this, so it makes the square right there. And then we're going to put some adhesive right here to close it up. So I'm going to use, let's see what I got here. Let's use my Stampin' seal. Put the lovely T on the top so I know where to put the top there. And just some adhesive here. And my secret is to just fold this over. Let's see if I can do this here. And it makes that square. So I'm going to set that aside. Then I'm going to get 3 pieces of the same crushed curry, but the measurements of 5.5 by 2 1/8, and you want 3 of those. And you're basically going to be adding these 3 on each of the other sides that don't have anything sticking out. So more adhesive here. And then just line it up against there. So that's the second, I guess, petal of it. And we'll do the third one. And the fourth one. And that's what you get. And like I said, when you close it, it'll actually fit in an envelope. So to help decorate it, you're going to need, let's see what I have here, 4 pieces of 5 1/4 by 2. I chose to alternate DSP and then also the lovely Stitch Greenery die. And it looks really great. Look at that. And in Cinnamon Cider. And then you're going to alternate these on each of the flaps that you have here. So I'll scoot that over. And we'll start with the DSP flap. And you just want to center it here. And then the next one will be the cardstock. And then back to the DSP. And back last one, cardstock. And that's what you get. So I thought that it'd be nice to have some sort of different message. And you saw the other ones. So I used the Playful Alphabet, and what I like about that is it has multiple letters, so I can actually run through the letters all at the same time to get my message. So let's show you there. So what I did was I put the adhesive sheet on the back of the cardstock, stuck the dies on top, and ran it through. Then you get these lovely letters, and they become stickers because of the adhesive on the back. So all you have to do is peel off the release paper, and voila, you have an instant letter sticker. And the way I did it, because I like things being centered, I figured with 5 letters, the A is actually the middle, right? So I know the size of this is 5.5, so half of it is at 2 3/4. So I line that up here. So that's the middle. And I'm going to put the A there. I'm saving the T on my finger. And that way the H can be here. Then to keep it here. And all the letters will be centered. I love the grid paper to do that, to know the measurements that I need. One more K. Oh, I messed up on the adhesive, only half of that, so I'll add some glue on that. And the last is the U, so same thing. The O is the center. So I'll go to the center of the paper again. The Y on the top. And then the U below that. See how easy it is? There's no mess, no fuss with the adhesive sheets. Let me center that a little better. Where this paper goes. And then you have the thank you and spaces to write. So let me lay them all out again. And they're the best. And then this one, and then the happy birthday ones, but I'll leave these out right there. So, thank you for letting me share this with you. If you liked the video, please hit like, subscribe to my YouTube video channel, sharing it with you. And thank you again for allowing me to have fun and show you and teach you a new tutorial. Have a great day. Bye.